Did you take your nature break today? Go out for 20 minutes to clear your thoughts, your mind, give a complete rebalance to the mind, body, and soul. Whether you're out in the park in green space or by the ocean, lake, or river for blue space. Whether you're going to be passive in nature, as in other words, just in nature meditate, or active in nature, any kind of activity. Either are very beneficial for your health and well-being. Absorb nature's energy, the sun's rays, communicate with the trees, perhaps do some grounding or earthing. Listen to the sounds of nature. Perhaps you'd like to do a mindful walk through nature, or simply sit by a tree. Perhaps you'd like to put just your hands on trees as a form of grounding, or your feet in the soil, grass, or ocean. Use your 5 senses to immerse yourself in nature and connect to nature. Work with nature as your daily routine for self-health. You can also learn a lot from nature. Not only does nature provide us with a lot of health benefits, but it also provides us with lessons in life. As you can see, nature knows how to heal itself on its own. Nature nourishes and nurtures, provides fresh air and oxygen to us and the environment. Trees communicate to each other. They also communicate to us. Do some breathing exercises while you're outside in nature. Try to do 20 to 30 minutes a day, whether you're in any kind of nature, even if you're in your backyard or a small little garden, or perhaps just a nursery of sorts, or even a flower market. Perhaps you'd like to even just bring some flowers indoors, what's called a biophilia. Observe nature if you can't get outside. There's a lot of indoor nature that you can do as well, such as bringing plants indoors and flowers. And even just visuals of nature is science-backed evidence to promote calmness, relieve anxiety, and just give us a reboot, which is sometimes what we just need. Work with nature as medicine, or just enjoy nature for its beauty. There is so much that nature provides that we can simply enjoy, as nature is very accessible to all of us. Through the Naturetime app, we provide engaging, accessible, and inspiring ways to interact with nature daily to enhance your well-being. So how will you engage with nature today? Join us at the naturetime.app. And did you know that the color green is actually very inspiring? It promotes kindness. Isn't that fun? Green is a beautiful color. through spending time in nature, we also hope that to inspire and motivate everyone to protect and respect nature, as nature does not need us, yet we need nature. Nature time. Nature wellness for self-health.